Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back. Hope you're having a wonderful, wonderful weekend. Last week, I saw my good friend Nate from Nate Bright Art pour an Enso Circle. And that was the first time I'd seen them. And it was really intriguing and very powerful to me. And he was inspired by Soraya Silvestri and a beautiful video that she had done with the Enso Circle, the Zen Circle, the Enlightenment Circle, whatever you want to call it. And she described it so beautifully in her video that I was really inspired by that concept and that thought process and this beautiful Zen Buddhist philosophy of this one continuous circle representing life and abundance and void and order and chaos. And it was really, really cool. So I will link her video and Nate's video for you in the description box. We're doing a little mini collab today with Kelly from Feral Art and Nate Bright and myself. All of us doing these Enso circles. So I have high hopes for this and I hope it works out. Let's get started. I'm probably not going to talk too much, but we'll see how it goes. I have here a 24 by 24 inch gallery wrap canvas. I have painted my sides and edges with one of my colors, the pearl yellow, and I have taped and pinned the back. So that's ready to go. That's a 24 by 24. I am using some leftover colors from my Cerulean Galaxy pour because they were so pretty and I have them left. So we have some Cerulean Blue. We have some Alizarin Violet. No lizards were harmed in the making of the Alizarin Violet. This is that. This is that beautiful turquoise that I kind of fell in love with. This is my Deco Art Americana Decor Metallics in 24 karat gold. And this is some Amsterdam Pearl Yellow. So, and then I have some Chrome Acryl student bodied white. This is beautiful stuff, that nice cloudy, poofy, cell makery sort of look. And we're going to be using these colors and the white to make a sandwich pour. So we're going to start with that. We're going to layer both cups to do a sandwich pour on that, and then after that I will show you what we're going to do. So let's start. We're going to start with a nice layer of white bread in both of them. And let's put some of this alizarin violet in there. And we're going to put some of our 24 karat gold. I love sandwich pours. They're such a great use of using up paint when you have a little bit of paint left. Awesome. I'm going to put some of this beautiful turquoise in now. And a little bit of the cerulean. Actually, let's put the pearl yellow first.
Looks like that first dollop is a little dirty, and then
You just love saying dirty, don't you?
It's what I live for.
Actually, I'm pouring it very gently so that it does not sink underneath the surface, so that it's just sitting on the surface. Okay, now we're going to come in with another layer of our white.
Total white bread, Wonder Bread sandwich.
Okay, let's switch this up a little bit. I'm going to put a little bit of cerulean, probably less color this time.
Was it a triple decker?
Double decker at least. Let's put some of our turquoise in there. A little bit of gold. Some of the alizarin violet. I'm going to do one more layer of pearl yellow put the white on top. Actually, we might put some gold in there too. I love sandwich cups. They're so much fun. And it's so easy to do. Okay. Just gonna put a little on top. Okay. 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 I'm going to pour a little puddle of gold. And we're going to flip this first one right into that puddle. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
Yes, my love.
Here we go. Ooh, look at that. That's awesome. Yay. Let's turn this. Pour a little puddle of gold over here. I'm going to flip this one into that. Ready, darling?
Yes.
Here we go. Ooh, that's beautiful too.
Oh.
Awesome. Awesome, awesome, awesome. Okay. Let's see. Let's do this one first. We're going to kind of do this half, and then we'll do that top one. Ready, darling?
Yes, my love.
A lot of color in there. Pretty. Okay. Let's do this one. You ready, my love?
Yes, dear.
Okay. So my thought process with this was to have something softer in the background and then have that ring really, really stand out. So we're going to come in with some of our white flow extender. I'm going to pour this around. Flow extender is so important. The last pour we did, oh, I was going to show you that one. I have it over here dry. I didn't have enough base coat flow extender in the second pour, and it was very frustrating for me. Very frustrating. So don't discount your flow extender because it's important. It makes a big difference. I'm excited about this one. Are you?
Oh, yeah.
Okay. Please go watch Soraya's video because it was so beautiful to watch and to listen to her talking about all the different aspects of the Enso pour. It was really, really cool. And like I said, it was really powerful. It really moved me a lot. It was awesome. Okay, let's tilt this out. Let's see. I guess since we have a lot of paint right over here, let's go this way first, maybe. Go over that edge. Bring it back to center. I'm gonna kind of go down off that side now. And off this edge. Ooh, pretty. Down, and we're going to walk it down this side. Get this covered. I'm going to go down on this bottom edge now. Ooh, that's cool looking. Okay, this is awesome. I think I might take a little bit more off this bottom because I don't want a very, very busy background. I want it kind of more serene. Okay, that's looking really cool. What do you think, HOA?
It's really cool. It's a great background.
Now, I'm going to scoot that over. I'm going to wipe the table off real quick. So that's what you look for.
About there.
In the middle, yeah. Okay. Okay. Alright, we're gonna put this on here. Okay, little holders. Put one on either side. And these just sort of lock the canvas in place. Okay. Exciting. So, the biggest things about this part is it's supposed to be one continuous ring, and you're supposed to do it as you're inhaling. So.
It's not exactly in the center.
It's alright.
Okay.
It's not gonna matter. Okay. I have here my cell activator, which is Australian Floetrol and Golden's turquoise phthalo. The plan is we're going to put the CA on the back of the palette knife. I'm going to give this a spin, and we're going to do one circle in the middle. Okay? Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
I lost that I am.
Okay.
You're gonna need a lot.
HOA pointed out that because we're going for an entire continuous spin, we don't want to skimp on the cell activator. Okay, but if we end up having to do it twice, it's alright. I'm not the end of the world. Alright. Are you ready, husband of awesomeness?
As ready as I can be. I'm gonna guess.
Here we go. So I'm supposed to breathe in while I'm doing this. Okay, here we go. Woo!
Wow.
Woohoo! That came out cool.
Really cool.
Okay. Alright. I love all the little cells that are coming up in there. It's actually round. I'm amazed because I wasn't sure I was going to be able to make a circle. Okay. Well, that's kind of awesome. I love that. Actually, I'm really, really happy with how that came out. That's really cool. Okay, this is awesome. I'm loving all of these colors in the background, and I love that the circle is kind of in the center. And I love all the cells that are popping up in there. This is great. Cool, yay, I'm really happy. It's unfortunately not going to be dry enough to show you a dry result, but I will show you in the next video. But I did want to take a minute and show you the other one. Push that over. I'll take these off. Okay, so this one was the one that we did, the Chaos Ribbon Swipe. And while it's not exactly what I was hoping would happen, a couple of things happened during this one that made me want to actually stop and let it dry and let it see what happens. And that part specifically was in here. In this white part where I swiped through with the turquoise cell activator. HOA, can you get like a close-up of in here?
I am.
These super fine lines that are just so pretty and delicate and beautiful, and have given me a whole bunch of other ideas that I want to play with. But I also wanted to show you guys how shiny this is. There's no varnish or anything on this. This is just the gloss gel, the Golden's Heavy Gel Gloss, and American Floetrol. I'm gonna make tries with this beautiful shine on it. This sheen is gorgeous. I love it. So this one was our magical painting. Okay, so thank you so much for being here. I hope you will please check out Kelly from Feral Art and Nate Bright from Nate Bright Art. I don't think Brian is posting one because he might be flying. But make sure you check everyone out. And let me know what you think in the comments. We'll see you real soon. Have a wonderful week. Bye-bye.
Can nothing spin or is it going to hit this?
You want a slow, sexy spin?
Yeah.
I love that. That is so cool. Awesome. Yay. I like it.
Alright, right on.
Look at this gold cells down here. Can you get a close up of those? And like right here. Woo! Yay! Okay, now I'm happy.